1 of chapter 10 Shri Bhagwan Vach.
भूय एव महाबाहो शृणु मे परमं वच यत्तेऽहं प्रीयमाणाय वक्ष्यामि हितकाम्यया।
Mahabaho, O the one with long arms. Shrinu me vacha paramam ev bhui. Listen to my words excellent even again. Aham vakshami yat priyamanai. I will narrate them who has become affectionate. Hitkam with the desire of your benefit. Mahabaho. Shrinu me vacha paramam ev bhui. Aham vakshami yat priyamanai. Hitkam Interpretation. Shri God said, O the one with long arms in the form of helpers, listen to my words, excellent than that of even the religious fathers or sages and saints again. I will narrate them to you, the one who has become the best affectionate even among the knowledgeable ones in listening, understanding and explaining, with the desire of your benefit. It is because there is benefit of the entire world tree through your seed form. Shlok 2 of chapter 10.
न मे विदुः सुरगणाः प्रभवन्न महर्षय अहमादिर्हि देवानां महर्षीणां च सर्वशः।
Na Surganaha na Maharshya. Neither the group of deities nor great sages, Vidu me Prabhvam, have realized my excellent birth. Ye am Adiha Devanam. Because I am the beginning of the deities. Cha Maharshinam Sarvasha. And great sages in every way. Na Surganaha na Maharshya. Vidu me Prabhvam. Ye am Adiha Devanam. Cha Maharshinam Sarvasha. Interpretation. Neither the group of deities nor the copper-8 saints or great sages have realized my excellent birth, capable of divine entrance according to chapter 11, Shlok 54 of the Gita, because through Mahadev, I am Adishwar, the first lord of the beginning of the deities, divine sages, Brahmin sages and great sages, in every way. Shlok 3 of chapter 10.
यो मामजमनादिं च वेत्ति लोकमहेश्वरम् असम्मूढः समर्तेषु सर्वपापैः प्रमुच्यते।
Yaha Vetti Mam, the one who knows me, Ajam Anadim cha, to be Ajanma, eternal and Lok Maheshwaram, the great ruler of the three worlds. Sapramuchyate Sarv Pape. He is properly liberated from all the sins. Asamudha Marteshu. After becoming free from attachment to human beings. Yaha Vetti Mam. Ajam Anadim cha. Lok Maheshwaram. Sapramuchyate Sarv Pape. Asamudha Marteshu. Interpretation. The one who knows me, Shiv Baba to be Ajanma, Agarbha, eternal and the almighty Avyakt Murti form, the great ruler of all the three worlds, that is the abode of happiness, the abode of sorrow and the abode of peace, he is properly liberated from all the sins, from all types of sorrow for half a kalp, after becoming completely free from attachment to human beings. Shlok 4 of chapter 10.
बुद्धिर्ज्ञानमसम्मोहः क्षमा सत्यं दमः क्षमा सुखं दुःखं भवो भावो भयं चाभयमेव च।
Buddhiya Jnanam Asammoha. Power to decide, entire knowledge of the world, absence of attachment. Kshama Satyam Damah Shama. Forgiveness, truth, suppressing, peace. Sukham Dukham Bhava Abhava. Happiness, sorrow, creations, absence. Bhayam cha abhayam ev cha. Fear and fearlessness too, and buddhiya jnanam asammo. Kshama satyam damah shama. Sukham dukham bhava abhava. Bhayam cha abhayam ev cha. Interpretation. Power to decide in the form of the intellect, entire knowledge of the world, absence of attachment to everyone except me, forgiveness, truth, suppressing the indriya, peace, happiness and sorrow in the shooting of the new and old world as well, and many more worldly creations, absence, fear of anyone and fearlessness too, and Shlok 5 of chapter 10.
अहिंसा समता तुष्टि तपोदानं यशो यशः भवन्ति भावा भूतानां मत्त एव पृथग्विधा.
Ahimsa samta tushte. Not to make anyone sad, equal feelings, satisfaction. Tapa danam, yasha ayasha. Tapasya, donation, success, failure. Prithagvidha bhava bhutanam. Various kinds of qualities of living beings. Bhavanti matta, ev. Are present through my himself. Ahimsa samta tushte. Tapa danam, yasha ayasha. Prithagvidha bhava bhutanam. Bhavanti matta, ev. Interpretation. Not to make anyone sad through the thoughts, words and actions, to have equal feelings, satisfaction in whatever is obtained without effort, tapasya in the form of remembrance of the star-like soul, donation, success, failure and so on, various kinds of good and bad qualities of living beings are originally present through Mahadev, my seed of the world himself. Shlok 6 of chapter 10.
महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमा प्रजा.
Chatvarah Purve Manvah Tatha. 4 sons of the beginning born through the mind, Sapt Maharshya, and the group of 7 great sages, Madbhava, are the nature of my soul, Jata Mansa, are born through the mind of Brahma. Ima Yesham Praja Loke. These are their subjects in the world. Chatvarah Purve Manvah Tatha. Sapt Maharshya. Madbhava. Jata Mansa. Ima Yesham Praja Loke. Interpretation. All these 4 sons of the beginning born through the thoughts of the mind, that is the seeds like Sanat, etc., and the group of 7 great sages, are the nature of my soul, they are born through the thoughts of the mind of Brahma. All the religious sects along with these deity, Islam, Buddhists and so on religions, are their variety subjects, that is of these 11 Rudragan in the world of heaven and hell. Shlok 7 of chapter 10.
एतां विभूतियोगं च मम यो वेत्ति तत्त्वता सोऽविकम्पेन योगेन युज्यते नात्र संशयः.
Yah vetti etam vibhutim mam. The one who knows these vibhuti of mine, cha yogam tattvata, and energy of yoga along with elements, saha avikampen yujyate yogen. He is steadily connected through the energy of yoga. Na sanshya atra. There is no doubt in this. Yah vetti etam vibhutim mam, cha yogam tattvata, saha avikampen yujyate yogen. Na sanshya atra. Interpretation. The one who deeply knows these special creations, that is Vibhuti of mine and my energy of yoga in the form of Mahadev along with all the 23 elements, he is steadily connected to the light of Sadashiv, the father of atom-like spirits to a greater or a lesser extent numbervar, just like Shankar, through the energy of yoga. There is no doubt in this fact. Footnote. In the entire world, certainly the name of Shankar Mahadev alone is combined with that of Shiv. The name of no other deity, demon, human, or angel is combined with that of Shiv. This is why the social tradition of combining the name of children with that of their father is practiced in India today as well. All the good, world benefactor traditions come from the Supreme Soul Himself. Shlok 8 of chapter 10.
अहं सर्वस्य प्रभवो मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते इति मत्वा भजन्ते मां बुधा भावसमन्विताः।
Aham Prabhava Sarvasya. I am the ancient creator of the entire. Sarvam Pravartate Matta. All are performed through my Buddha Bhav Samanvitah. The intelligent people who are enthralled. Matva iti bhajante mam. Believe this, remember me. Aham Prabhava Sarvasya. Sarvam Pravartate Matta. Buddha Bhav Samanvitah. Matva iti bhajante mam. Interpretation. I, Shiv plus Baba, am the ancient creator of the entire physical world. All the good and bad tasks in the world are performed through my very pure feelings. The intelligent people who are enthralled through the heart always know and believe this in the Brahman life of Purushottam Sangam Yug and remember me constantly in the Purushottam Sangam Yug. Footnote. Otherwise, foolish people just remember other male and female deities of lower categories, religious fathers, angels or ghosts and spirits, etc. Shlok 9 of chapter 10.
मच्चित्ता मद्गतप्राणा बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च।
Machitta. Those who engage their mind and intellect in me. Nityam Madgat Prana. Those whose life is always attached to just my. Tushanti Charamanti. Attain satisfaction and delight. Parasparam Bodhayanta. While mutually explaining each other. Cha Kathayanta Chamam. And conversing about just my. Machitta. Nityam Madgat Prana. Tushanti Charamanti. Parasparam Bodhayanta. Cha Kathayanta Chamam. Interpretation. Those who engage their mind and intellect in me, those whose life is always attached to just my name, form, etc., they attain satisfaction and always delight in super-sensuous joy while mutually explaining each other and conversing about just my activities or life story. Shlok 10 of chapter 10.
तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगन्तं येन मामुपयान्ति ते।
Dadami tam buddhyogam. Grant that connection of the intellect. Tesham satatyuktanam. To those constant yogis. Priti purvakam. With loving remembrance. Bhajatam yen te upyanti mam. Through which they reach my. Dadami tam buddhyogam. Tesham satatyuktanam. Priti purvakam. Bhajatam yen te upyanti mam. Interpretation. I grant that focused and unadulterated connection of the intellect to those constant yogis with loving remembrance, through which they reach close to my representation here itself. Shlok 11 of chapter 10.
तेषामेवानुकम्पार्थम् अहमज्ञानजन्तमं नाशयाम्यात्मभावस्थो ज्ञानदीपेन भास्वता।
Ev anukampartham tesham. Just to have mercy on them. Aham Gyandipen Bhasvata. I, through the lamp of knowledge shining. Atma Bhavastha. Stabilized in the nature of a star soul. Nashami tamah agyanjam. Destroy the darkness of ignorance created through the ignorance. Ev anukampartham tesham. Aham gyandipen bhasvata. Atma bhavastha. Nashami tamah agyanjam. Interpretation. Just to have a long-lasting mercy on them in the world, I, the Father of souls, the light of Sadashiv, through the lamp of knowledge who has become Trinetri just like that shining pole star, who is always stabilized in the nature of considering himself a star-like soul in the Purushottam Sangamyug, I, Shiv myself destroy the darkness of ignorance in the confluence age Brahmans created in the copper and iron age through the ignorance of Maya Ravan. This is why it was said, Rite Jnananna Mukti, meaning liberation can't be attained without gaining knowledge. Footnote. The light of Sadashiv, the intellect of the intelligent ones himself brings corporeal Shankar, the world father in the path of knowledge constantly first of all. From the dualistic copper age, just because of the ignorance spread by the Vidharmis, the Indians have attained degradation in the path of bhakti full of blind faith in 2500 years. He brings out the world father, the father or the seed of the corporeal world alone from this degradation at first. Shlok 12 of chapter 10. Arjun Uvach.
परं ब्रह्म परं धाम पवित्रं परमं भवान् पुरुषं शाश्वतं दिव्यम् आदिदेवमजं विभुम्
Bhavan Parambrahm. You are Parambrahm. Param Dham. The best abode or the supreme abode. Parma Pavitram. The purest. Shashvatam Divyam Purusham. The eternal divine Purush. Vibhum. Are revealed in special forms. Ajam Adidevam. The one who isn't born through the womb, are the first deity. Bhavan Parambrahm. Param Dham. Parma Pavitram. Shashvatam Divyam Purusham. Vibhum. Ajam Adidevam. Interpretation. Arjun said, You, Shiv Baba yourself are Parambrahm, the best abode or the supreme abode, the purest, the eternal divine Purush, who never becomes extinct, and you are revealed in special forms of the multifaceted one. Purush means a man or a soul. Because of the divine entrance of you, Trikalagya in me, Arjun, because of being the one who isn't born through the womb, you are the first and eternal deity. Shlok 13 of chapter 10.
आहुस्त्वां ऋषयः सर्वे देवर्षिर्नारदस्तथा असितो देवलो व्यासः स्वयं चैव प्रवीशिते
Sarve Rishya. All the sages. Devarshi and Narada. The divine sage Narad. Asita Devlah Tatha Vyasa. Asita, Devlah, and Vyasa. Ahua Tvam Cha. Have said about you, Shiv Baba and Swayamev Bravishi me. You yourself tell me. Sarve Rishya. Devarshi and Narada. Asita Devlah Tatha Vyasa. Ahua Tvam Cha. Swayamev Bravishi me. Interpretation. All the sages, the divine sage Narad who travels in the three worlds, sage Asita, sage Devala, and the world-famous sage Kapil, that is Ved Vyas have said this about you, Shiv Baba, and you yourself tell me that you are the highest authority of the entire world. Shlok 14 of chapter 10.
सर्वमेतद्विदं मन्ये यन्मां वदसि केशव न हि ते भगवन् व्यक्तिं विदुर्देवानदानवाः
Keshav. O the ruler of Brahma. Yat vadasi mam. Whatever tell me. Manye sarvam etat ritam. Consider all that to be true. He Bhagwan. Because, O God, Na devaha na danvaha. Neither the deities nor the demons. Viduha te vyaktim. Know your vyakt nature. Keshav. Yat vadasi mam. Manye sarvam etat ritam. He Bhagwan. Na devaha na danvaha. Viduha te vyaktim. Interpretation. O Shiv Baba, the ruler of Brahma and Vishnu, whatever you tell me, I consider all that to be true. Because, O God, neither the deities nor the demons know your Avyakt Murti Mahadev and Vyakt nature, who has become the hero actor in the beginning of every cycle of 4 ages. Shlok 15 of chapter 10.
स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानं वेत्थत्वं पुरुषोत्तम भूतभावनभूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते
Purushottam, the best among spirits. Bhutesh Bhut Bhavana. O Bhuteshwar, the giver of birth to ghosts. Dev Dev Jagatpate. O deity of the deities, the Lord of the world. Ev Tvam Swayam Vedha. Just you yourself know. Atmanam Atmana. The form of your soul through your. Purushottam. Bhutesh Bhut Bhavana. Dev Dev Jagatpate. Ev Tvam Swayam Vedha. Atmanam Atmana. Interpretation. Shiv Baba, the best among spirits. O Bhuteshwar, the giver of birth to the subtle-bodied part of ghosts. O deity of the deities, the Lord of the world. Just because of being capable to enter, Ajanma and Agarbha, you yourself know the form of your soul through your permanent chariot of Arjun so Adam. Bhuteshwar means the controller of ghosts. Great sentences of Shiv Baba for this shlok are: that Sadguru, that is true Guru himself, comes and gives his introduction. Murli dated 8 October 1968, middle of page 2. No one other than the Father can give his introduction. It is because everyone else, including the deities, demons, sages and saints, forget the previous births because of coming in the cycle of birth and death. Tulsidas has also said the same in Ramayan. Soi jane jehi dehu janai, janat tumhai hui jai. Ayodhya Kand. Adam and Khuda is about both these unlimited fathers. Shlok 16 of chapter 10.
वक्तुमर्हस्य शेषेण दिव्यायात्मविभूतय याभिर्विभूतिभिर्लोकान् इमां स्वं व्याप्य तिष्ठसि
Vibhutibhya yabhya. Vibhutis through whom Tvam Vyapya Iman Lokan Tishtasi. You spread these worlds, sit. He arhasi vaktum. Because are capable to explain. Asheshin Divya Atma Vibhutya. All vibhutis in the form of divine living souls. Vibhutibhya yabhya. Tvam Vyapya Iman Lokan Tishtasi. He arhasi vaktum. Asheshin Divya Atma Vibhutya. Interpretation. The 11 vibhutis along with Rudra mentioned earlier in chapter 10, Shlok 6 of the Gita, through whom you spread these three worlds like heaven, hell etc., become subtle and sit in the abode of peace, because you, Trikalagya, Adishwar alone are capable to explain all those elevated vibhutis in the form of divine living souls, that is Jivatma. Shlok 17 of chapter 10.
कथं विद्यामहं योगिन् त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयन् केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन्मया
Yogin Katham Ahem Vidyam Tvam. O Lord of the yogis, how can I know you? Sada Parichinten, while continuously thinking and churning. Cha Bhagwan Keshu Keshu Bhaveshu. And O God, in which natures? Asi Chintya Maya. Are worth to be thought of by me. योगिन कथम अहम विद्याम त्वाम सदा परिचिन्तयन् च भगवन् केषु केषु भावेषु असि चिन्त्या मया. Interpretation. O Lord of the yogis, without your help how can I know you, the unimaginable, invisible form completely, while continuously thinking and churning, and O God, in which elevated natures are you worth to be thought of constantly by the one with a dull or stone-like intellect like me. Shlok 18 of chapter 10.
विस्तरेणात्मनो योगं विभूतिं च जनार्दन भूयः कथय तृप्तिर्हि शृण्वतो नास्ति मे मृतम्.
Janardan, O Avdhardani Shiv Baba, Kathai Vistaren Yogam Atmana, narrate in detail power yoga of yours. Cha Vibhutim Bhuya, and Vibhuti again. He may na asti tripte, because I am not satisfied. Shrinvata Amritam, by listening to the nectar of knowledge. Janardan, Kathai Vistaren Yogam Atmana, Cha Vibhutim Bhuya. He may na asti tripte. Shrinvata Amritam. Interpretation. O Avdhardani Shiv Baba, narrate in detail this power of the energy of yoga of yours and this vibhuti of yours again. Because I am not satisfied by listening to this Sankhya Yoga, the nectar of knowledge full of complete explanation or full of inexhaustible and unlimited storehouse. Avdhardani literally means a generous donor, a name of Shiv. Footnote. The Supreme Soul isn't omnipresent in the Vibhutis described in chapter 10, Shlok 6 of the Gita. The yogic energy of Mahadev or Adam who has become equal to that light of Sadashiv, the Supreme Father itself is present in them to a greater or a lesser extent, that is numbervar. All the living beings of the world are small or big batteries who acquire the power of yoga appropriately according to the Purusharth, respectively, from the World Father, the Supreme Soul, the powerhouse in the shooting of Purushottam Sangamyug at the end of the Kalpa. See, the Supreme Soul, the powerhouse in chapter 15, Shlok 17, chapter 6, Shlok 7, chapter 13, Shlok 22 and 31 of the Gita. The naked ling idol of Mahadev, the Lord of Yogis, the resident of Kashi and Mount Kailash is said to be the remembrance of this very high stage of yoga that has become the universal authority of the entire world. Shlok 19 of chapter 10. Shri Bhagwanuvach.
अन्तते कथयिष्यामि दिव्याह्यात्मविभूतयः प्राधान्यतः पुरुषश्रेष्ठ नास्त्यन्तो विस्तरस्य मे.
Kurushresht, the elevated one among Kurus. Hanta Kathishyami, to sympathize, will narrate. Pradhanyata Divya Atma Vibhutya Te. Main divine vibhutis of mine to you. Hina Asti Anta Me Vistarasya. Because there is no end of my extended. Kurushresht, Hanta Kathishyami. Pradhanyata Divya Atma Vibhutya Te. Hina Asti Anta Me Vistarasya. Interpretation. Shri God said, O my permanent chariot, the elevated one among Kurus, to sympathize with you, I will narrate these main divine vibhutis of mine that haven't been narrated before to anybody, to you, the one who is eager to obtain knowledge deeply. Because there is no end of my extended form, Mahadev or Adam, the seed form of the banyan tree. Shlok 20 of chapter 10.
अहमात्मा गुडाकेश सर्वभूताशयस्थितः अहमादिश्च मध्यं च भूतानामन्त एव च.
Gudakesh Atma. O Arjun, the conqueror of sleep. I, the soul. Sarva Bhutashyasthita. am present through the support of all the living beings. Cha ahmev. And I myself am. Adi Madhyam Cha Anta. The beginning, middle, and the destroyer. Bhutanam. Of living beings. Gudakesh aham Atma. Sarvabhutasya sthita. Cha ahmev. Adi Madhyam Cha Anta. Bhutanam. Interpretation. O Arjun, the conqueror of sleep, I, the soul, the light of Shiv, the living treasurer of the light of knowledge, just like the inert sun, am present through the energy of Yoga of Mahadev, the Lord of Yogis, the support of all the living beings, and I myself am the beginning, middle, and the destroyer of the personalities of living beings every time, during the great destruction at the end of the Kalpa. Shlok 21 of chapter 10.
आदित्यानामहं विष्णुः ज्योतिषां रविरंशुमान् मरीचिर्मरुतामस्मि नक्षत्राणामहं शशि
Jyotisham Raviha Anshuman. Among the radiant things, am the sun with rays. Adityanam ahem Vishnuha. Among Adityas, am Vishnu. Marutam asmi Marichiha. Among the Maruts, I am Marichi. Nakshatranam ahem Shashi. Among the constellations, I am the moon. Jyotisham Raviha Anshuman. Adityanam ahem Vishnuha. Marutam asmi Marichiha. Nakshatranam aham Shashi. Interpretation. Among the radiant things, I am the living sun of knowledge with rays in the form of the light of soul. Among the 12 Suryavanshi Adityas, I am Vishnu. Adityas means sons of Aditi, wife of sage Kashyap. Among the 7 times 7 equals 49 Maruts, that is deities of wind of the 7 Vidharmis. I am Marichi, the ray of sunlight. Marichi is a prominent deity among the Maruts, name of one of the 10 Prajapatis. Among the constellations illuminated with knowledge and yoga, I am the moon. Shlok 22 of chapter 10.
वेदानां सामवेदोऽस्मि देवानामस्मि वासवः इन्द्रियाणां मनश्चास्मि भूतानामस्मि चेतना
Vedanam asmi Samveda. Among Vedas, am Samved. Devanam asmi Vasava. Among the Vasudevs, am Vasav or Vasudev. Indriyanam asmi Mana. Among Indriya, am the mind. Cha asmi Chetana Bhutanam. And am the living force in the living beings. Vedanam asmi Samveda. Devanam asmi Vasava. Indriyanam asmi Mana. Cha asmi Chetana Bhutanam. Interpretation. Among all the 4 Vedas, I am placid knowledge of the Gita in the form of Samved. Among the Vasudevs, I am Vasav or Vasudev Mahendra, the chief Vasu, that is the son of Shiv. Among the 11 powerful Indriya in the form of Rudra, I am Hanuman, the inconstant Kapidwaj in the form of the mind, and I alone am the living force in the form of the energy of yoga in the living beings of different communities. Footnote. Because of being Ajanma, the light of Sadashiv, the treasurer of the inexhaustible wealth of knowledge himself is Vasu. His elder child, the deity Indra himself, is Vasav. Shlok 23 of chapter 10.
रुद्राणां शङ्करश्चास्मि वित्तेषो यक्षरक्षसां वसूनां पावकश्चास्मि मेरुशिखरिणामहम्
I am Shankara Rudranam. I am Shankar, the great Rudra among Rudragan. Cha asmi Vittesh Yaksharakshasam. And am Kuber of the wealth among the protectors and stealers of wealth. Asmi Pavaka Vasunam. Am fire, the purifier among the 8 Vasus. Cha Meruha Shikharinam. And the Everest peak among the peaks. अहम शंकरः रुद्राणां च अस्मि वित्तेश यक्षरक्षसाम् अस्मि पावकः वसूनां च मेरुः शिखरिणाम्. Interpretation. I, the light of Shiv, myself am Shankar, the great Rudra among the 11 Rudragan, and I am Kuber of the north of the wealth of knowledge and practice, among the protectors and stealers of wealth, that is Yakshrakshas. I am fire, the purifier that generally purifies through knowledge and yoga among the 8 Vasus, and Shankar Mahadev, the highest top-knot Brahman in the form of the symbolic Everest peak among the peaks. Kuber is the deity of wealth. Vasus is the name of a class of Vedic gods, literally means wealth. Footnote. In the floods during Pralay at the end of the Kalpa, the Everest peak, the remembrance of the imperishable corporeal Shankar will survive. हिमगिरी के उत्तुंग शिखर पर बैठ शिला की शीतल छां एक पुरुष भीगे नैनों से देख रहा था प्रबल प्रवाह, meaning while sitting in the cool shade of a rock on the topmost peak of the Himalayas, a man was seeing the mighty flow with moist eyes. Jai Shankar Prasad. Shlok 24 of chapter 10.
पुरोधसाञ्च मुख्यं मां वित्ति पार्थ बृहस्पतिं सेनानीनामहं स्कन्द सरसामस्मि सागर.
Parth Vidhi Mam. Lord of the earth, know me. Brihaspatim Mukhyam Purodhsam. As the deity Brihaspati, the chief of everyone among the family priests. Aham Asmi Skandah Senaninam. I am Kartikeya among the army chiefs. Cha Sagra Sarsam. And ocean among the large lakes. Parth Vidhi Mam. Brihaspatim Mukhyam Purodhsam. Aham Asmi Skandah Senaninam. Cha Sagra Sarsam. Interpretation. Lord of the earth, know me as the deity Brihaspati, that is the Guru of deities, the Sadguru, the husband of the husbands, the chief of everyone among the family priests. I am Kartikeya, who is nurtured by 6 Kritikas of the 7 sages, that is Saptarshi among the army chiefs equipped with the weapons of knowledge, and the vast ocean of the water of knowledge in the form of the earth's husband among the large lakes. Kartikeya is the army chief of deities, the elder son of Shiv and Parvati. Kritikas are the 6 mothers, wives of the 7 sages, who nurtured Kartikeya, the elder son of Shiv and Parvati. Shlok 25 of chapter 10.
महर्षीणां भृगुरहं गिरामस्मेकमक्षरं यज्ञानां जपयज्ञोऽस्मि स्थावराणां हिमालयः.
I am Bhrigu Maharshinam. I, Bhrigu among the great sages. Asmi Ekam Aksharam Giram. I am the single syllable, Om, among words. Yagyanam Japyagya. Among the yagyas, I am chanting. Sthavaranam Asmi Himalaya. Among the immovable mountains, I am Himalaya Raj or Himvan. I am Bhrigu Maharshinam. Asmi Ekam Aksharam Giram. Yagyanam Japyagya. Sthavaranam Asmi Himalaya. Interpretation. I am Bhrigu among the great sages and I am the single syllable Om, the combination of the 3 deities, that is, A plus U plus Ma among words. Among the imaginary yagyas, I am chanting of real concentration of remembrance of the point soul through the mind, and among the immovable mountains with high altitude, I am Himalaya Raj or Himavan in the form of Yudhi plus Sthir, that is stable in war. Shlok 26 of chapter 10.
अश्वत्थः सर्ववृक्षाणां देवर्षीणां च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः.
Ashwatha Sarvavrikshanam. I am the banyan tree among all the trees. Nardah Devarshinam. Nar plus the, among the divine sages. Chitraratha Gandharvanam. Chitrarat among Gandharvs. Cha Munihah Kapilo Siddhanam. And sage Kapil among the accomplished ones. Ashvatha Sarvavrikshanam. Nardah Devarshinam. Chitraratha Gandharvanam. Cha Munihah Kapilo Siddhanam. Interpretation. I am the huge world tree in the form of the banyan tree among all the trees, the most famous, excellent devotee, but always unstable, Nar, plus, the, among the divine sages, Chitrarat among Gandharvs, the semi-deity singers and sage Kapil, the knower of, Sankhya, belonging to the city of Kampilya settled by sage Kapil himself among the thinker, accomplished ones who have attained all the prosperities. Gandharvs are celestial musicians in heaven. Shlok 27 of chapter 10.
उच्चैश्रवसमश्वानां विद्धि माममृतोद्भवम् ऐरावतं गजेन्द्राणां नराणां च नराधिपम्
Vidhi mam Uchchayashravasam. Consider me Uchchayashrava. Amritodbhavam Ashwanam. Born from churning of the nectar among the horses. Airavatam Gajendranam. Airavat among elephants. Cha Naradhipam Naranam. And the emperor among human beings. Vidhi mam Uchchayashravasam. Amritodbhavam Ashwanam. Airavatam Gajendranam. Cha Naradhipam Naranam. Interpretation. Consider me to be Uchchayashrava, a mythological white horse of deity Indra, who is focused through yoga, whose body consciousness has turned into ashes in the Rudra Yagya, and is born from churning of the nectar of knowledge among the horses in the form of mind. Airavat, a mythological white elephant of deity Indra, the son of Iravan, that is the king of the ocean among the fellow great warriors with the roar of Varun, meaning the deity of water in the form of body-conscious elephants, and the emperor Kashi Vishwanath, meaning controller of the world, or the world emperor Narayan among human beings. Shlok 28 of chapter 10.
आयुधानामहं वज्रं धेनूनामस्मि कामधु प्रजनश्चास्मि कन्दर्प सर्पाणामस्मि वासुकी
Ayudhanam aham Vajram. Among the weapons, I am Vajra. Dhenunam asmi Kamdhuk. Among the cows, I am Kamdhenu cow. Cha Prajana asmi Kandarpa. And among the excellent giver of birth to offsprings, I am Kamdev. Sarpanam asmi Vasukya. Among the serpents, I am Vasuki. Ayudhanam aham Vajram. Dhenunam asmi Kamdhuk. Cha Prajana asmi Kandarpa. Sarpanam asmi Vasukya. Interpretation. Among the weapons, I am the firm Purusharthi Vajra, that is the thunderbolt of deity Indra. Among the cows, I am Kamdhenu, the black and white cow in the form of the earth that fulfills desires. And among the excellent giver of birth to offsprings, I myself am Kamdev, that is the deity of lust, Nandi in the form of a bull, and among the serpents that creep, I am the extremely adulterous snake Vasuki who drinks poison. Kamdhenu is a cow produced during the churning of ocean and supposed to yield whatever is requested to her. Vasuki is the name of the snake around Shankar's neck, and was used as a churning rope during the churning of ocean. Shlok 29 of chapter 10.
अनन्तश्चास्मि नागानां वरुणो यादसामहं पितॄणामर्यमा चास्मि यमः संयमतामहम्
Naganam aham asmi Ananta. Among the snakes, I am Anant Nag. Cha Varunah Yadasam. And the deity Varun among the aquatic creatures. Pitranam aham asmi Aryama. Among the ancestors, I am Aryama. Cha Yamah Sanyamtam. And Yamraj among the makers of all the rules of self-control. Naganam ahem asmi ananta. Cha Varunah Yadasam. Pitranam ahem asmi Aryama. Cha Yamah Sanyamtam. Interpretation. Among the snakes, I am the endless destroyer Anantanag that hangs around the neck of Shiv Baba, and the deity Varun, that is deity of water, of western country among the huge aquatic creatures. Among the ancestors, the 8 deities, the seeds of the 8 religions, I am Aryama, Vivasvat or the son of knowledge, and Yamraj, Yudhishthir, the king of religion among the makers of all the rules of self-control. Anantanag is a 1,000-headed mythological snake on which Vishnu sleeps. Aryama is one of the Adityas and king of the ancestors. Yamraj is Hindu god of death, the chief justice. Shlok 30 of chapter 10.
प्रह्लादश्चास्मि दैत्यानां कालः कलयतामहं मृगाणां च मृगेन्द्रोऽहं वैनतेयश्च पक्षिणाम्
Aham asmi prahlada daityanam. I am plus Ahlad among demons. Cha kala kalayatam. And Mahakal among those who count time. Cha ahem mrigendrah mriganam. And am lion among equal to animals. Cha venateha pakshinam. And peacock among the birds. Aham asmi prahlada daityanam. Cha kala kalayatam. Cha ahem mrigendrah mriganam. Cha venateha pakshinam. Interpretation. I am the giver of means in an excellent way, plus Ahlad means happiness among the Vidharmi demons of the dualistic age, and Mahakal, the greatest death of the deaths among those who count time. And I am lion among the ones with animal-like intellect equal to animals in the forest-like world of thorns, and Suparna or Nagashan, peacock among the birds that dance with the tail of body consciousness. Suparna literally means the one with beautiful feathers, another name of Garud, that is eagle, the vehicle of Vishnu. Nagashan means the destroyer of snakes. Shlok 31 of chapter 10.
पवनः पवतामस्मि रामः शस्त्रभृतामहं झषाणां मकरश्चास्मि स्रोतसामस्मि जाह्नवी
Asmi Pavnah Pavatam. Am the deity wind among the purifiers. Aham Ramah Shastrabhritam. Am Ram among the ones who bear weapons. Jhashanam Asmi Makra. Among the fishes, am crocodile. Cha Asmi Jahnavi Srotsam. And am Ganga among rivers. Asmi Pavnah Pavatam. Aham Ramah Shastrabhritam. Jhashanam Asmi Makra. Cha Asmi Jahnavi Srotsam. Interpretation. I am the deity wind, the friend of deity fire like Sitaram, the purifier of the impure among the purifiers, and I am Ram himself in the form of Kartikeya among the ones who bear weapons of knowledge. Among the fishes, I am crocodile, the fish incarnation, and I myself am the river Ganga, the purifier of the impure, and Kaveri too, among all the Indian and foreign rivers of the entire world. Shlok 32 of chapter 10.
सर्गाणामादिरन्तश्च मध्यं चैवाहमर्जुन अध्यात्मविद्या विद्यानां वादं प्रवदतामहम्
Arjun ahem ev adya. O Arjun, I alone am the beginning. Madhyam cha antah sarganam. The middle and the end of the creations. Adhyatma Vidya. Am Rajyog knowledge, Adhyatmik. Vidyanam. Among the knowledges. Cha ahem vada pravadatam. And am the argument of those who debate. अर्जुन अहमेव आद्य मध्यम च अंतः सर्गाणाम् अध्यात्म विद्या विद्यानां च अहम वाद प्रवदताम्. Interpretation. O Arjun, I alone am Adidev, the beginning, Adam of the people of Islam who come in the middle, and Mahakal, that is the end of all the creations. I am Rajyog, the highest knowledge of Adhyatmic University among all the knowledges, and I am the true argument of those who debate on truth and falsity as well. Shlok 33 of chapter 10.
अक्षराणामकारोऽस्मि द्वन्द्वः सामासिकस्य च अहमेवाक्षयः कालो धाताः विश्वतो मुखः.
Asmi akara aksharanam. Am letter a. Among a plus kshars. Cha dvandvah samasikasya. And conjunction, the dual among the conjunctions. Aham kala akshaya. Am mahakal, the imperishable. Ahamev dhata vishvatomukha. I alone param brahma in direction. Asmi akara aksharanam. Cha dvandvah samasikasya. Aham kala akshaya. Ahamev dhata vishvatomukha. Interpretation. I am aham, plus the, plus badi, letter, a, among, a, plus kshars. And conjunction of the dual war between the great opponent Kauravas plus Pandavas among the conjunctions. I am Mahakal, the death of the deaths who is always present in the imperishable time cycle, and I alone am Mahadev, Param Brahma, facing upwards, or the one with 5 heads in all the 10 directions as well. Ahem means ego, da means to give, and bad means later on. The one who gives up his ego later on. Akshar literally means a letter. A means not, and kshar means perish, that is the one who doesn't perish. Shlok 34 of chapter 10.
मृत्युः सर्वहरश्चाहम् उद्भवश्च भविष्यताम् कीर्तिः श्रीर्वाक्च नारीणाम् स्मृतिर्मेधा धृतिः क्षमा.
I am Mrityu Sarvahara. I am the great death that makes the entire vanish. Cha Udbhava Bhavishyatam. And am the origin in future. Cha Kirtiya Narinam Shriha Vak. And fame of females, Shri Vakdevi. Smritya Medha. The remembrance of the soul, the power to understand. Dhritya Cha Kshama. Patience and forgiveness. Aham Mrityu Sarvahara. Cha Udbhava Bhavishyatam. Cha Kirtiya Narinam Shriha Vak. Smritya Medha. Dhritya Cha Kshama. Interpretation. I am the great death that makes the entire world vanish. That is the one who brings about pralay. And I am the origin of those who are born as inert or living beings in the near future, and fame of females in the form of Lakshmi in Ardhanarishwar, or Jyoti, that is light plus ling. Shri Vakdevi, that is the goddess of speech. Saraswati in the form of the intellect, the remembrance of the soul of Trinetri Shankar, the power to understand in the form of the eye of Shiv, patience of Dharmaraj Yudhishthir. And I, the light of Sadashiv myself am forgiveness. Shlok 35 of chapter 10.
बृहत्साम तथा साम्यं गायत्री छन्दसामहं मासानां मार्गशीर्षोऽहं ऋतूनां कुसुमाकरः.
Tatha Brihatsam Samnam. Similarly, am Brihatsam in the Samved. Gayatri Aham Chandasam. I am Gayatri mantra among the verses of the Vedas. Masanam Aham Margshirsha. Among the months, am Margshirsh. Kusumakara Ritunam. The spring season among the seasons. Tatha Brihatsam Samnam. Gayatri Aham Chandasam. Masanamaham Margshirsha Kusumakara Ritunam. Interpretation. Similarly, I am Brihat Sam in the sweet Samved originated from Vivasvat, the sun. I am Gayatri mantra of the three female deities among the verses of the Vedas. Among the months, I am the month of Margshirsh of the full moon, that is the best guide like the head, and the spring season that always gives uniform happiness in the form of Shiv Baba, the evergreen hero actor among the seasons. Brihatsa means certain mantras of the Samved sung in the Brihati meter. Brihati is the name of a particular meter of 36 syllables. Gayatri Mantra is a sacred verse from the Rigved. Margshirsh is the Hindu month corresponding to November-December. Shlok 36 of chapter 10.
द्यूतं छरयतामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहं जयोऽस्मि व्यवसायोऽस्मि सत्त्वं सत्त्ववतामहम्
Aham Dyutam Chalayatam. I am gamble of cheaters. Asmi Teja Tejasvinam. I am brilliance of the brilliant ones. Jaya Asmi Vyavsaya. I am the victory, firmly determined. Aham Asmi Sattvam Sattvavtam. I am Satvikta of the Satvik men. Aham Dyutam Chalayatam. Asmi Teja Tejasvinam. Jaya Asmi Vyavsaya. Aham Asmi Sattvam Sattvavtam. Interpretation. I am gamble of the multifaceted cheaters. I am brilliance in the form of the sun of knowledge of the brilliant ones like Vivasvat. I am the victory of the only ever victorious Narayan. I am firmly determined for world renewal, and I am Satvikta of the soul in the Satvik men belonging to the time even before the golden age complete with 16 celestial degrees. Satvikta means the quality of sattva, true, genuine, honest. Shlok 37 of chapter 10.
वृष्णीनां वासुदेवोऽस्मि पाण्डवानां धनञ्जय मुनीनामप्यहं व्यासः कवीनामुशना कवि
Asmi Vasudevah Vrishninam. I am Vasudev among belonging to the dynasty of Vrishni. Dhananjaya. I am Arjun, the conqueror of the wealth of knowledge. Pandavanam. The son of Pandu in the form of Panda. Aham Vyasa Muninam. I am Vyas among sages. Kavya Ushna Kavinam Api. Poet Ushna among the poets. 2. Asmi Vasudevah Vrishninam. Dhananjaya. Pandavanam. Aham Vyasa Muninam. Kavya Ushna Kavinam Api. Interpretation. I am Bambam Mahadev, the father of even the Yadvas, that is Vasudev, the son of Vasudev Shiv, the giver of the wealth of knowledge among the European Yadvas belonging to the dynasty of Vrishni, who shower the rain of knowledge, but don't imbibe it. I am Arjun, the conqueror of the wealth of knowledge, the son of Pandu in the form of Panda who guides to the path of Brahmalok. I am Sage Vyas, the soul of Sage Kapil among the thinker sages of the Copper Age, and I am poet Ushana, that is Shukracharya, the guru of violent and lustful demons and the teacher of the knowledge of sperms among the poets too. Bambam Mahadev, greetings in Shiv's name. Shlok 38 of chapter 10.
दण्डो दमयतामस्मि नीतिरस्मि जिगीषता मौनं चैवास्मि गुह्यानां ज्ञानं ज्ञानवतामहम्
Asmi Dandah Damyatam. I am the right to punish among those who enforce discipline. Asmi Nitya Jigishtam. I am the politics of those who desire victory. Asmi Monam Gohyanam. I am silence of the gopis and gopis. Cha Ahmev Jnanam Jnanavtam. And I alone the philosopher of the knowledgeable ones. अस्मि दण्डः दम्यताम्, अस्मि नीतिः जिगीषताम्, अस्मि मौनं गुह्यानाम्, च अहमेव ज्ञानं ज्ञानवताम्. Interpretation. I am the right to punish in the form of Yam or Dharmaraj among those who enforce discipline. I am the politics of those who desire victory like Adinarayan, that is the first Narayan. I am silence, the protector of self-respect of the Gops and Gopis, that is cowherds and herd girls who establish a secret relation with me. And I, Shiv Baba alone am the philosopher of the knowledgeable ones like sage Kapil, the knower of elements like the earth etc. Shlok 39 of chapter 10.
यच्चापि सर्वभूतानां बीजं तदहमर्जुन न तदस्ति विना यत् स्यात् मया भूतं चराचरम्.
Cha Arjun. And O Arjun, Aham tat yat api bijam sarvabhutanam. I am that which is the seed of every living being. Nasti characharam bhutam. There isn't movable or immovable living being. Tat yat syat vinamaya. Like that which is devoid of my. Cha Arjun. Aham tat yat api bijam sarvabhutanam. Nasti characharam bhutam. Tat yat syat vinamaya. Interpretation. And O Arjun, I am that form of Jyotirling equal to Shiv which is the seed in the form of eternal father of every living being among the 84 lakh species. There isn't even a single movable or immovable living being in the world like that which is devoid of Vishwanath, Jagannath, or Yogeshwar Sanat Kumar, my human seed. Great sentences of Shiv Baba for this shlok are: there is nothing in the world that isn't applicable to you, that is the seed form. Murli dated 11th April, 1974, end of page 3. Just like the power of electricity runs the non-living machines, Yogeshwar's power of yoga obtained in the shooting of Purushottam Sangam Yug through the thoughts of the mind runs the machine in the form of inert bodies of living beings to a greater or a lesser extent according to the Purusharth. Shlok 40 of chapter 10.
नान्तोऽस्ति मम दिव्यानां विभूतीनां परन्तप एष तु देशतः प्रोक्तो विभूतेर्विस्तरो मया.
Parantap Nasti Anta. O the one who burns enemies, there is no end. Mama Divyanam Vibhutinam. To my divine Vibhutis. Maya tu prokta esh vistara. I have just narrated this expansion. Vibhute uddeshata. Of Vibhutis in brief. Parantap Nasti Anta. Mama Divyanam Vibhutinam. Maya tu prokta esh vistara. Vibhute uddeshata. Interpretation. O the one who burns enemies like lust etc., there is no end to my divine Vibhutis one higher than the other. I have just narrated this expansion of the above mentioned Vibhutis in brief. Shlok 41 of chapter 10.
यद्यद् विभूतिमत्सत्त्वं श्रीमदूर्जितमेव वा तत्तदेवावगच्छत्वं मम तेजोंशसम्भवम्.
Va yat yatev sattvam. Or any living being who is prosperous. Vibhutimat Srimad Urjitam. The one with the best intelligence, energetic. Tvam avgach tat tat. Consider it to have originated. Mam tejosh sambhavamev. From my part of brilliance or energy of yoga itself. Va yat yatev sattvam. Vibhutimat Srimad Urjitam. Tvam avgach tat tat. Mam tejosh sambhavamev. Interpretation. Or any living being who is perfect with the specialty of being prosperous, the one with the best intelligence and energetic, consider it to have originated from my part of brilliance or energy of Yoga itself in the Purushottam Sangam Yuga. Footnote. In the confluence age shooting, the batteries in the form of point soul receive energy of Yoga according to their Purusharth through Yogeshwar's vibrations full of Yoga. Shlok 42 of chapter 10.
अथवा बहुनैतेन हि ज्ञानेन तवार्जुन विष्टभ्याहमिदं कृत्स्नम् एकांशेन स्थितो जगत्
अथवा अर्जुन, or O Arjun, Kim tav gyaten eten bahuna. What for you to know this much? Aham sthita. I am stable. Vishtabhya idam kritsnam jagat. After stabilizing this entire world. Ekanshen. Just through one part. Athva Arjun. Kim tav gyaten eten bahuna. Aham sthita. Vishtabhya idam kritsnam jagat. Ekanshen. Interpretation. Or, O Arjun, what is the need for you to know this much in detail from the ocean-like immense treasure of the water of knowledge? I, the light of Sadashiv, am stable even in Purushottam Sangam Yuga after stabilizing this entire world just through one part in the form of Mahadev, my treasurer of the energy of Yoga.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सूपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे विभूतियोगो नाम 10